Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this vanilla aesthetic filter on CapCut PC. So first we are going to go to adjustments, and here you are going to up the temperature to 20%. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to find brightness and you're going to do -5. And then for the contrast you're going to do -20. Then for the exposure, which is the same as illumination, go -15. Then you are going to go -15 in the highlights and then +25 for the shadows. Then go to the curves and go to brightness, and you're going to put your graph basically like this. And that's it. This is the after and this is the before and this is the after. As you can see, there's like this vanilla tint to it. It is super simple to do. And yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.